Route 66 is 100 this year, and we're cruising along the Route 66 Beef Trail. Hi, I'm Jennifer Broome. Welcome to Arizona. With 385.2 miles, Arizona has one of the longest stretches of the original Route 66. I'm standing on the corner of Winslow, Arizona. The iconic lyric from the Eagles hit, "Take It Easy," is about right here. With a mural of a girl in a flatbed Ford, the corner of Kinsley and East 2nd Street really is such a fine sight to see. You know what else is a fine sight to see? Tacos. Shorty's Old Town Grill, aka Shorty's Tacos, is a must-stop on Route 66. This food truck turned restaurant is owned by Rob and Mika Vasquez.
So 1910 was the original building. It was the original post office. Back there we had the post box of the original post office.
The restaurant is named after Rob's grandfather.
He was a longtime city employee here in Winslow, and his nickname was Short. So here we have the Shorty's Tacos, birria tacos, and the glizzy. Let me show you how to more.
They're known for the birria tacos, using a recipe from his grandma Lucy.
We just kind of took that recipe, tweaked it a little bit. So we're gonna take these tacos, we're gonna dip it in the oil. This is a red chili oil.
This is our birria. Right down the middle of the taco.
My preference is angel hair cabbage.
Diced onion and cilantro. Right over the top.
This is our #1 seller. This is who made us who we are. This is your pot of consomme. This is what you get when the birria is done cooking. So we strain the beef, and you're left with this pot of consomme. And key thing is to have it look this clear. There are your birria tacos.
Another favorite is the Freddy's Tacos.
There was an old taco joint called Freddy's Tacos, and it was on the east end of town. Every restaurant in this town has kind of taken their own twist on the Freddy style tacos, and we took the Wagyu raised beef. So it's ranch Wagyu raised beef that we get from Natland, a cattle company.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
My favorite glizzy has to be the glizzy for sure.
Yeah.
That glizzy, all day.
Glizzy.
The bacon wrapped 100% beef, Nathan's dog. We deep fry it, and then we load it with our pinto beans that we make fresh daily.
Time for the taste test. Let's try the birria taco. Dip it in. Juice is dripping down my face. Not the most elegant, but man, is that good. From Shorty's, venture around the corner and into Old Trails Museum to learn the story behind Take It Easy and some history about Winslow, including its famous hotel. You should spend a night at the historic La Posada Hotel for a steak and stay. Once the headquarters for Santa Fe Railroad, this historic hotel is a delightful oasis in the high desert.
La Posada was built in 1929, opened in 1930. It was built by the Fred Harvey Company, and Mary Coulter was the architect. She's a very, very famous architect in the Southwest.
I stayed in room 120. Here's a quick tour, including the bright yellow bathroom and the outside seating area. For dinner, head to the turquoise room. I opted for the Martini Lounge and ordered the Route 66 margarita with the floating edible disc celebrating the Mother Road's 100th anniversary. Start with their famous stuffed squash blossoms. So chef, nothing says fine dining like a good steak, right? Famous potatoes.
And we got a river corned bean pods.
Add veggies and the steak.
And we got a tumbleweed onions.
And voila, steak for dinner. Save a little room for a slice of Fred Harvey pie before retreating to your room for the night. The next morning, have breakfast, shop in the trading post, wander the hotel, and watch the trains go by.
We get about 100 trains a day, so all the train buffs sit out there and they just clock the trains and watch them all day long.
You have to check out La Posada's photos of fame in the East Wing. Some of the famous guests include Amelia Earhart, Shirley Temple, John Wayne, President Franklin Roosevelt, and Diane Keaton. And don't miss the Afeld Mion Museum in the 1930 depot at La Posada.
So the museum houses Winslow studio artists exhibit. So anybody that is a Winslow artist or Route 66 artist, we try to bring their shows and exhibit there and feature those artists here in the museum.
The big rug is the main attraction. This 250-pound rug took 5 years to weave. When it was completed in 1937, it became the most famous Navajo rug in America. In Winslow, you were 1,602 miles from Chicago and 523 miles from Los Angeles. Time to drive west to our next stop, about 25 minutes away. Meteor Crater Natural Landmark is the best preserved meteorite impact site on Earth. It's almost mind-boggling how big it is. It's nearly a mile across. Let's check out one of the other view spots. It's just a little windy out here. Let's take a look through the binoculars. That's a close-up view of the crater floor. This windy meteor crater is surrounded by the beautiful landscape of the historic Bar-T Bar ranches, which supply beef to Diablo Burger in Flagstaff. On the way to Flagstaff, take a detour to do the scenic drive through Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument. One of my favorite views is as the forest opens up to the painted desert. It really is stunning, especially when you catch sunset at Wupaki National Monument. With the stunning sunset sky and daylight fading fast, I checked into Americana Motor Hotel on Route 66 in Flagstaff. The rooms have Flagstaff's lunar legacy vibe and the disco ball adds a touch of grooviness. Since Flagstaff was the world's first international dark sky city, head to Lowell Observatory to view galaxies far, far away, and perhaps get an incredible view of the moon like I did looking through one of the telescopes. The star parties are truly out of this world. The next morning, go for a hike at Walnut Canyon National Monument. Hiking down, and yeah, gotta go back up those. The island trail descends into the canyon where you can see a series of ancient cliff dwellings. The hike is less than a mile, but with 736 steps, you'll work up an appetite. Get your kicks on Route 66 in Flagstaff. Diablo Burger is a must-eat spot.
We wanted to make something ordinary extraordinary. Our burgers are often named after the toppings that are on them.
If you're a burger purist, go for the Monk.
Because it's just a plain burger served on an English muffin.
If you're a cheesy person like me, order the Maryland.
It's our featured burger. It offers 2 slices of cheese of your choice.
And a fan favorite is the Senior Smoke.
It features grilled avocado, sriracha mayo, bacon, and cilantro, and ancho grilled onions.
And a longtime favorite is the Blake.
The Blake is hatch chili mayo, green chilies, and cheddar cheese.
All burgers are served with DB frites.
We serve our frites here Belgian style, so they're always freshly cut, as well as all the herb de Provence that we put on it.
Awesome. Wow, look at that. Time for the taste test. That is an out-of-this-world burger. And don't miss seeing the historic sites, iconic motels, and the Mother Myth mural in Flagstaff before you continue west on Route 66.